I know I haven't posted a video in so long, and it's raining outside, but here is a video of this noisy Tadiran unit. It has been sounding pretty weird recently, and it's sounding really noisy from the inside, but from the outside, it's not that noisy. I don't know why. And I just noticed that dead bird right there. I don't know where it came from. Maybe it just fell out the window. So as you can see, it's not that noisy from the outside, but it's really noisy from the inside. But I can actually hear the noise from the inside. I don't know what's been wrong with this unit lately, but it has been acting kind of weird. It's sounding kind of weird too. So there you have it. This is the noisy Tadiran running in action. It's not that, I don't think it's that noisy right now, but it can be really noisy at night. But it sounds like it's really noisy from the outside. And it's getting noisier. It just turned on like a minute ago, so it gets noisier as it turns on. And again, I still don't know what's wrong with this, but it's so noisy inside. Last night I could hear it from pretty much every room, but I didn't check the basement, and it was even pretty loud from the outside, and it's not that loud right now. I hope somebody comes and fixes it soon and makes it quieter. Or but only if that's possible. Because if it's not, then I just have to deal with this noisiness from the inside of the house. It doesn't sound that bad from here, but it sounds pretty bad from the inside. And here's what I mean. I'm gonna show you what I mean by what it sounds from the inside. So I think that's, in case you didn't hear that, the noise from the inside. But it's a lot noisier at daytime. And I think it's actually getting noisier right now. And here it's pretty loud. There it is. Okay. It's getting a lot louder right now. I think I'm gonna have to stop the video because I've been filming for quite a while. So there it is, the noisy Tadiran. And by the way, here are the other air conditioner units. And I only turned on the Tadiran because I wanted to film a video. So I hope you enjoy the video. Out.